Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are talking about Baby Lion. Baby Lion token is on Binance Smart Chain. Already have a 86% profit gain. Couple of hours ago on the market, listed here on CoinGecko. So let's see what Baby Lion is doing. The birth of Baby Lion, world's strongest community coin. The lion isn't the quickest or the biggest animal in the wild. So why is it the king? It is the lion's mentality that makes him the king of the jungle. Baby Lion strives to be the king of the Binance Smart Chain jungle that utilizes blockchain technology to help diverse correctable foundations involved with general public, including the medical, education, emergency services, animals, and more. No one can that a Baby Lion when it commands to give back. That is why BLN, Baby Lion, has named with international organizations to conduct donations campaigns in different areas of the world with utmost need, which will get documented by well-known YouTubers. Okay, nice. As well as taking part in future development of ecosystem. So watch out for BLN apps in phase 3. So this is a more they collect here money, or they want to make here good things with their merchandise, for example, and make here charities, right? I see they have here a lot of ideas, maybe already on the market to buy. Let's see their tokenomics. We have a quadrillion total supply. We have 40% already burned and 15% manual burn. And on PancakeSwap liquidity, we have free for 45%. So 10% tax every transaction disrupted to holders. That means if anyone buy or sell, it will go 3% of that transaction automatically to the holders. So that's nice. You earn money just from holding the tokens, right? Then we have a 4% direct to liquidity, 1% marketing and development, for sure you need that, and 2% for charities. So let's see the roadmap. Multiple charity events, creative video and banner contest, phase 2, audit, exploration. Okay. Baby Lion team. Okay, that's the team. I cannot see here much. I just see here some names. I don't think these names are real, but let it be how it is. Baby Lion's first charity. Thank you to the great pride of Baby Lion, we are able to help Baby Hope Cervantes in her fight against leukemia. Okay, that's nice. Baby Lion's second charity. Okay, they do a lot of good things for others. This is a quite nice project. Baby Lion's NFT game. We are thrilled to announce the first ever racing game in the blockchain world. Right with pride. Stay with us as we announce the updates on the development of the game. Okay, and here's some posts. So what do you think, people? Is it a hit or a shit coin? I think give it a chance. They want to do good things here with their charities. So why not? It is always good to do someone else something good, right? So let's see their Telegram group. 4,600 members and 450 are online. That's healthy. 10%. And we have here a Twitter account with 7,600 followers. So what does the chart say right now? Okay, this is normal. I think here was the time when it get listed on. Yes, here was the time when it get listed on CoinGecko. And if something is new listed, people throw their money inside and want to know what's going on. Right now it's not much inside. It's around 80,000. Market cap is 900,000. But right now over $80,000 invested. So that means that's a huge potential to go upward. So let me know what you think about this project. Is it a hit or shit? I think give it a chance. Throw some money inside. Just look how it works. How they start from zero, and let's look forward, right? Give it a chance. Try it. Tell me more about it. What do you think about this token, about this project? Leave me a like, subscribe. It will help me a lot to make more of this kind of videos. You will get always the newest tokens on the market. So see you later, alligator. Make some profits and time out. Bye.